guys, what's up? It's me. I don't got out of breath. Tired of shaking my butt. Let me stand up real quick. Cause my legs get a little weak at times. Weaking and need. Alfredo real quick. How y'all doing? Thank y'all for liking and commenting and subscribing. If it's your first time tuning to my channel, thank you. I can't do it without you. I'm nothing without y'all. Thank y'all for clicking onto my channel. Right now I'm just mixing my seasoning for my chicken Alfredo. Hopefully it'll be as good as it was yesterday. Like when I cook something and the kids love it, y'all, I have to run it back. Like, which that be the crazy thing. I don't mind. It's for my kids. Anything for them to make them happy. Y'all know that about me. Anything for my children to see them happy. Tiana, you writing them timetables like you're supposed to be doing. So what are you at? What are you at? Because you should not be out here playing. You should be writing your timetables for the coach. Not what you should be writing your timetables in that folder. I don't know why you out here playing with Tiara. I don't know why she out here playing when she supposed to be writing them timetables. What time is it? Taisha? It's about time for the company to go. Oh yeah, it's school tomorrow. Your mama know you over here? Huh? Okay. By 7:30 you need to be going home. I got stuck. Make these damn noodles real quick. Cook this chicken. I don't want it to burn like it did kind of yesterday. What's in the microwave? Oh, I forgot about my stuff. Y'all, I be forgetting I be having shit in the microwave. I do not want to get rid of my potatoes and chili these up for the rainy day. Baby, let me tell you something. Close these potatoes up and put them up for a rainy day. Yes, ma'am. What you gotta do? You gotta recycle your food. noodles. Yeah, it's not staying. It sucks. Okay, so I already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put my potatoes. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do in a minute. Hold on. I know y'all probably don't know what the heck is I'm doing right now. I'm trying to cycle these potatoes, so if I decide to cook steak again with potato, but I would like in here, I already got the potato. And is it safe to freeze this? You can, but potatoes, I need these. Oh, this is why I hate when my freezer gets freezer burn. Freezer burn. No. So everybody do their pasta different. I have to use a spoon to get it all out. So yeah. Burning hot water. So yeah, y'all. Right now my leg is really just like, some days I have my good days, some days I have my bad days, and I don't know why this is. And I don't think it's gonna rain, so I don't know why why my leg feeling like no hope right now. I hate it when I do that. I'm gonna have to sit down. Trying to make sure I get all of it out of here. All right, cool. Season already at the bottom. So when I cook my chicken, I'm gonna use vegetable oil. I'm not gonna use butter, and then the broth from the chicken, I'm gonna pour in that to make my sauce. So yeah. Anything you cook, you gotta taste it. Anything you cook, you gotta taste it, okay? So we're gonna come back for a part 2. I'm gonna get ready to chop my chicken up. I gotta get ready to get that together, clean the counter off, pay some bills, go back to a commercial real quick. Let this get to 15. So I did this a little different from yesterday. I added red sauce in it, which I shouldn't, but we'll see how it come out. It's looking a little orangey looking, but hey, try to switch it up. So yeah. So perfect. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go pay some bills. Come back for a quick commercial break. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification so you will know when I'm on cooking. Make sure you tell a friend about Queen. And yes, today is my birthday. Yes, today is my birthday. I turned 40. Don't forget to jot those birthday shout out. And thank you for liking, comment, and subscribing. And if you're a new subscriber, thank you. I have not been posting everyday consistent, but I promise I'm going to get back on track. I'm trying to do so much at one time, but thank y'all for hanging in there. Make sure you go to my other channel where we do nothing but eat at KTH Mukbang. I can't wait to see you there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And believe in yourself and know that you are phenomenal. And most definitely, if nobody haven't told you they love you, you know I love you. Alright, bye.